The liquid metal flows like honey into ingot molds. Special flux ensures 99% purity. Behind these walls, raw mountain ore transforms into 99% pure gold.
Only authorized experts enter this secret facility.
Today, we reveal the entire process, from dirty rock to shimmering bars. Gold starts deep underground, mixed with rock and mineral impurities. Each ton of rock may hold only a few grams of gold. The journey from ore to pure metal begins here. Even the incoming ore is tracked for security. The ore is stored and sorted before crushing. Step 1. Break the ore into smaller pieces. Stone is reduced to gravel size. Gold. High-speed mills grind the ore into fine powder.
The finer the powder, the easier to extract gold.
This mixture will enter the extraction tanks.
Precision is key. Too coarse or too fine disrupts purity. Cyanide solution dissolves gold from the ore.
The gold separates on a molecular level.
Activated carbon captures gold like a magnet. Gold-loaded carbon is removed for further refinement.
Acid strips impurities from the carbon.
Electricity forces pure gold to deposit onto metal plates. Tiny crystals grow into thick layers. These plates hold the first solid form of refined gold.
This material is called gold sludge.
The sludge is ready for melting.
Gold melts at extreme temperatures. Once liquid, impurities rise to the surface as slag. Removing slag increases purity. Special flux ensures 99% purity. The liquid metal flows like honey into ingot molds.
As gold cools, it solidifies into bars.
These bars are still unmarked and untested.
At this stage, the purity is almost perfect.
Bars move under full surveillance to the assay lab. Laser spectrometry reads the gold's atomic signature. XRF confirms no hidden impurities. Each bar is precisely measured. Every bar receives a unique identity code. The official mark certifies purity. Security packaging protects every bar.
Gold now moves to the deepest part of the facility.
Multiple biometric layers guard the vault. Automation prevents human error or theft. This room holds millions in pure metal. These bars may be sold, traded, or stored as reserve wealth. Their value changes every second.
Every gram is documented and tracked.
From raw dirt to pure brilliance. This is how the world's most precious metal reaches 99% purity.